Hey guys, it's your boy PK on another hiking experience, and as you know, the hiking continues. Today we're out there at Van Gaalen. We're doing the 12k river trail. It's a flat one, nice for beginners. First hiking experience hike of the year 2026. So let's see what this trail has in store for us. So let's do this, guys. Yeah, the hikers came in large numbers today for the first hiking experience hike of the year. Most of the hikers today, it's my first time seeing them. So most of you is my first time seeing you. So I would like you to introduce yourself. Tell us what's your name and where you from. What's your name?
Hello everybody, my name is Irene, I'm from Boksburg.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Jiwe, I'm from Rustenburg.
Located in Hartebeespoort Dam along the R560, Van Gaalen offers a wide variety of trails, ranging from 3 kilometers all the way up to 22 kilometers. So this 12-kilometer trail is great for those who want to get into hiking without having a bad time or a tough time on the trail. Sorry. Nice. Tell Primrose, what do you love about it?
I love everything. It's very flat for more special for the first starters like me, so I'm not tired. It's
Sure. What do you think about today's trail so far?
It's beautiful. It looks stunning. Thanks, PK.
Sharp.
Oh yeah.
La música de Harry Fraud.
love it.
What do you love about it?
What do I love about it? It's shaded.
Oh,
It's so hot.
yeah.
So I'm glad that we're actually walking underneath the shade because wow, we wouldn't have survived the heat.
Sharp.
Oh, this trail is so gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yo, the beauty of it.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, the water, the sound of it is so great. I'm loving it.
Love
Right
it.
now, we are on almost 6 kilometers.
Oh, halfway.
Fresh. I'm loving it.
So we just passed the halfway mark. We left with 6 kilometers headed back to Van Gaalen. I'm really enjoying it. Not too strenuous, flat. It's just testing our endurance. Yeah, what do you think about today's trail?
Today's trail is just a stretch, but very nice. Love it for us.
Sharp. Yeah, the trail to the Greek church is temporarily closed. Yo, I love that trail. Yo, it was hard. We even did it last year from Remrochte side.
I didn't see this one coming.
Yeah.
Oh, PK, we need a break.
It's
tougher, man.
tougher, ne?
More than tougher.
So what do you enjoy about it?
We are more than conquerors.
Hopefully they'll reopen it again one day. Yo.
Hi, that's nice.
Nice.
Nice, not bad at all.
What do you
It was
We're
well
challenged, but in a nice way.
challenge,
in a
ne?
nice way.
So beginners can come here.
Yes.
Beginners, can they come in?
Yes, yeah, definitely.
Sharp. Yeah, at this point we're nearly towards the end. I think we left with 1 kilometer right now. Yeah? 1K.
1K.
Yeah, 1K. 1K. Yeah, 1K big.
Oh, the trail.
Yeah,
It's nice, it's shaded, it's flat, but because it's January,
yeah.
it's tough.
When
It will
This-
test your endurance, like you said.
Sure.
I'm feeling it after 9 Ks.
Sure. If you want to join the next upcoming hiking experience hike, join us on the 21st of March at Shelter Rock. 21st of March at Shelter Rock. It's an 8K moderate to challenging. It's next door restart, so you should know you need to be fit. Then we'll have a braai after the hike. So come on through. Human Rights Day, 21 March. See you there.
Very chilled, very relaxed.
Ne?
Very, very nice. On to the next one.
On to the next time on the hiking experience. Today we out here at Palandingwe, Africa land.
This trail, yeah, it's nice, actually for beginners, was a hike.
Yeah.
It's nice, it stretches, your legs.